So it's been a while since I've planted any seeds and done a garden. Well, since last year. So I'm going to just show you what I'm doing. I'm going to get my garden started right now today, especially with the coronavirus going on and the limited food and the wait for food and all that stuff. I figure I'm going to start growing my own, and then I'll have some extra food, and what can be wrong with that? So here I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and let's get to it. Here is my easy garden, and I haven't put any plants in here since last year. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to just basically top off the soil in here and make sure there's enough. I see some of it lost in there. Next step is to take some of the soil right here, and I'm going to fill in all these little pots right here. Okay, so now that I got soil in these little pots right here, my next step is to put seeds inside. And before I do that, I'm just gonna dampen down the soil a little bit. So I got the soil damp, and next I'm gonna go through my seeds that I've been storing in this box. So as I'm going through these seeds, I'm just looking at them and I'm thinking, like, do I want to grow zucchini? No. I don't want to grow broccoli. I really just want to grow some leafy green stuff like lettuce, cilantro, basil, stuff like that. I just want to grow some stuff that I can get growing quick, and we can start putting it on the table. One, two little seeds right there. I'll put one, two right there. And I just planted a couple cilantro seeds right here, so I'm just gonna kind of push them right under the soil, and then kind of just cover them up. All right, now I have planted seeds in all of these, and the next step is I'm gonna bring this in the house, and I'm gonna put it on top of my refrigerator, and just every morning I'm gonna come and make sure the soil's damp, and then within about a week they should be sprouting up a little bit, and at that time I'm going to put them outside so they can start getting some sunlight. Okay, so I've showed my process for just getting seeds started. Pretty simple. And then once they start sprouting, I'm going to put them into my easy garden and leave it outside and just water it every day. But I will be showing the progress of this whole process of starting a garden with my easy garden, show how easy it is. So in about 3 weeks I should be starting to eat from the garden. Thanks, and for more information, if you want to get a My Easy Garden, go to myeasygarden.com, and we have all the information on there. Thanks, bye.